Today's topic is hydrogen spectrum. And there's someone have confusion, so I'm just giving a better idea by which it make little easier to understand the concept of hydrogen spectrum. First of all, we are taking any hydrogen in container, applying high pressure and voltage. This hydrogen is passes through prism and it break down in different component of wavelength. First is minimum deviation, so it is called red light, and then according to list one is violet light. That is just a breaking tendency of a series of light in the combination of hydrogen. Or either we will take this in terms of wavelength. Red has maximum wavelength and frequency is minimum. We already discussed frequency is noted by nu and wavelength is noted by lambda. So lambda is maximum in the case of red and frequency is minimum in this case, right? And when you are passing this, it create a band. This is a band look like some lights are like this band, and again it create different band. In between the bands there is vacancy. Again we are getting with the different type of band. In terms of wavelength we are getting this band of lights, right? It indicates that this is group of light and its wavelength. So just this wavelength is increasing in order, and we are considering first wavelength is called Lyman series, what we taught in chapter. Then second is called Balmer series, and then third is Paschen series. Then bracket, then P1 series, right? Or you may understand this concept with little different idea. Uh, this is a hydrogen atom and electrons are is they're in orbit like this, right? So if some electron is in ground state, if it excited on the and move towards the outer state, or either it is bounced back from outer to ground state, they will release some energy, right? This energy is constant from the what orbit, right? Energy already we discussed that energy value for first is 13.6. For first situation it is 13.6, and second orbit this energy is 3.4 electron volt with negatively sign. Next is 1.5 and last one is 0.85 electron volt. This is energy is given, right? We are writing this energy in electron volt. So when electron is going from fourth to ground state or either fifth to ground state, or some electron moving from ground state to excited state going first orbit second orbit respectively, this is the energy difference required for the electron movement. Either it gains some energy or lose energy by which it exchanges the position of orbit, right? So we are watching the terms of they have wavelength. It gives an idea of frequency, then it gives an idea of energy, right? We all know this, we already calculated by the using of formula. Somewhere frequency is, we discussed nu is equal to c upon lambda. Energy value is calculated by E equal to hc upon lambda. So this h is Planck constant. Its value is 6.6 10 raised to the power minus 34. C value is, value for C is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8, right? This is the by which we calculate the different aspects, like a wavelength you will calculate. Wavelength is already given. It is respected wavelength we will get Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket and Fun series, right? So in the according to wavelength we can determine the other factor like frequency, like energy, and this energy will decide electrons going to be excited state from ground state or either turn up from excited state to ground state. This is the Bohr's idea given by the given for the orbit, and I will start you little more impactive ideas. Some it is like just it is the space like a first position, then second, then this is third, fourth, right, and this is fifth. Like this we are making the circular position perfectly. So when this light is coming from infinity to first position, right, this light is coming from infinity to first location, this is called Lyman series, right? This is our Lyman series. Memorize this. What is happening here? Infinite to it is coming at ground state, but some ray of light it is coming from infinite to first orbit. In this situation, what we will do? We are considering this is Balmer series, and similar for the infinite to third. If some rays are coming, it is called Paschen series. Similarly, you can do for the bracket and Fun. Same what you will do. Ray light is coming from infinite to this position. It is called bracket series, and last one is Fun series. And whenever you require to make its energy difference, you will just get an idea. First orbit having energy is 13.6 electron volt, then it is minus 3.4 electron volt, then it having minus 1.5, and last one having 0.85. So you will just whatever the electron is going to be excited or either going to be normal state, make a difference between the energy of orbits. What we have already, we are getting the constant value for this. Just to make a difference, that amount of energy required to come towards the excited state or either it is going towards the ground state, that energy. And this is simply idea. Lyman series, some light is coming from infinite to its first stage of orbit. Balmer series infinite from the second orbit. Paschen series infinite from the third series, and Fun series. Already we discussed the other factor like energy. We already know red light having maximum wavelength, so its deviation is minimum. If wavelength is maximum, its frequency must be minimum. These calculations we had done in the theoretical portion. Once you go through the notes what we had done, but there is some one ask about the hydrogen spectrum. They have little confusion, so just I am giving this idea according to my concept. Once again I am revising, try to understand these concepts. Whenever we are taking hydrogen in cell tube at high pressure, it passes through the prism, it broke down in the simpler wavelength, and red light is highest wavelength, so it minimum deviation took place. For violet is a minimum wavelength, so maximum deviation takes place. That's I will show in the terms of lambda and frequency, because lambda is inversely related with the frequency. So one amount is increase, other is automatically decrease in order. Apart from that, this band is coming in the group form, right? So first band we are organizing this gap between the one band to another band. We are watching everywhere with the gap. It means in between they are not lying any kind of wavelength in the packet forms, that is called photon. We had already studied. So there is the one gap between one series to another series. This is perfectly we are getting the group of rays, and with respect to its wavelength, sometime if you think about perfectly, it having wavelength 91 nanometer to 122 nanometer and 365 to 656 band of the wavelength. Next wavelength you are looking, then it is 820 to 1875. This band is little practical idea. Okay, we don't require this, theory is already given, but thing is that this just I am giving for more identification, more understandable nature. Its wavelength is difference by which it make a like a group like a position. First group is recognized as Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Beckett series, Font series or Humphrey series also. But in our case, we are going through the different properties related to the Bohr's formulation, wavelength, frequency and energy. With respect to its energy, you know, formula is hc upon lambda, where h is Planck constant, c is velocity of light, or lambda is already given. On that calculation, based on this lambda, I will get the energy. What we discussed already in first series, 13.6 electron volt, 3.4, 1.5, 0.85 electron volt is the energy, right? You can write electron volt in the place of joule also, but when you will change the factor, divide by the 1.6, 10 raised to the power minus 19, it converted towards electron volt, whatever the energy in joule. So these all value support us to finding the other factor of this hydrogen spectrum. Then what is we are showing the excited state to ground state if movement of electron takes place, that comes by the energy difference. See, the energy difference for every orbit is constant given. So if some electron is moving from here to this, or it is back from here, this position to ground state, the amount of energy which required is just a difference of the amount of respected orbit. So if anyone more confusion, please ask me. I will clear your doubt, and be little practical, be little practice in chemistry. Then it gives you get better idea, as well as you understand very crystal clear ideas. And apart from that, parallelly you will go for the NCERT exercise. If you find any kind of doubt, please write in comment section which question you are facing doubt, what kind of doubt you have. Definitely I will remove that doubt, and I will help you out from whatever the problem you are facing in particular question. Please write on. Thank you.